it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check it. Oh, you watching me shake it. I can see it in your face, can't take it. It's blazing, but watch me in amazement.
You got it, girl, you got it.
Yeah, my flex so deep, my sex so deep.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Shiana. So for today's video, I am doing a slight get ready with me makeup slash hair combo. So I'm showing you how I got this really pretty fall smoky brown eyeshadow, and how I got these really pretty deep waves in my hair. So if you are interested in that, then just make sure to keep watching. Also, before we want to continue, I want to make sure that you are subscribed, so I'll wait. That should have been enough time to make sure you hit that nice little red button down there. So without further ado, we will just hop right into this tutorial. I'm going to start off with my brows. I've been doing a new brow look because we have a new brow product with Benefit. It's the Brow Styler. It's a 2-in-1, so you can use ooh, I need some water. Kroger, sponsor me, not really. Anyways, I've been using this to kind of give me more of a voluptuousness and kind of fuller looking brow. It's been definitely doing me justice. I use the Brow Styler in number 5. This is what it looks like. Double-ended, so this is the pencil side, and then this is the powder side. So it's a brush, and you just kind of tap it off into back into the packaging. All right, so I'm just using my spoolie side on this one. I like to brush my hairs upward first when using this brow product. I start off with the powder, and when I take it, I just tap it off back in there, and I start in the middle of my brow, and I just brush this product directly in, and I fill in the front with whatever is left. Still looks natural, but it just has a little bit more fullness to it. Alright, and then I'll just take the pencil side and I just lightly carve out the bottom portion of my brow. Alright, now to carve out my brows, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate concealer. I just take a flat concealer brush. I'm using the Morphe 432 brush, and I just carve my brow out. But if you run your mouth and brag about the secret rendezvous, I will hunt you down. Cause they be all up in my business like a Wendy interview. This is private between you and I. Flew to Cooper 17, no guidance. Alright, so now that I've carved out my brows, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I'm only going to do one eye on camera because it's kind of pointless to show you both. This is a very simple look. I'm going for like a brown smoky eye, so I'm gonna start off by using my Anastasia eyeshadow primer, and I just take a dot and I just kind of blot this all over my eye. I also just take it and I just swipe it right underneath my eye, since this is a smoky eyeshadow look. Alright, for this look, y'all should already know what palette I'm going to use because I've been dipping in this palette a lot. So I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette because this is the most controversial, not controversial, just universal palette with brown shades in it. So I'm going to go in with this palette, and then I'm also going to use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It is messy because I've been doing fake freckles with it. But this is another palette that I'm going to be using, and this is what it looks like in the inside. So I'm actually going to start off by using this palette. the Morphe one, and I'm gonna go in with Secure. It's the shade right here. It's like a burnt kind of yellow. For my transition, I'm using a M505 brush, and I'm just going right into this eyeshadow and swirling it around, because I want this to be a nice dimensional brown smoky eye. So next I'm going in with Yodit. It's this shade right here. Tapping off the extra and just going directly into my crease. I'm gonna be using my deluxe, it's my SSO21 Deluxe Blending Fluff Brush from Crown Brush. It's bent up, I don't know how, but I'm taking Kufuru, this one right here, with a little bit of Walzana and just packing that onto my lid. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the bottom, but opposite. I'm gonna start with my dark and go lighter. So I'm gonna use a smaller brush for this, because I do want it to be nice and blended. I'm using my Napoleon Auto Palette Pore Minimizing Mattifier Primer. A friend of mine gave me this, and I've been using it because it's actually really good. It reminds me of the Professional, very similar to it. It just has a little bit more mattifyingness to it, so I do like it, but it's the Auto Palette. Got it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check it. Oh, you want me shake it. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic. I just do a couple of dots like that.
You got it, girl, you got it.
I know. But if you run your mouth and brag about the secret,
gonna go back into my Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place as well.
Put the work in, flaws and all, I love them more than me, you're perfect. Baby boy, you got it, boy, you got it.
To set the concealer, I'm gonna be using Kalahari in the Juvia's Place setting powder.
Got it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check it. Oh, you want me shake it.
So to contour, I'm gonna be using two different palettes. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Roxy palette, and then I'm gonna be using the I Heart Revolution Praline palette. There's like a deeper contour in the Praline, and then there's like a lighter contour in the Roxy. So I'm gonna be using this one right here to carve out my nose.
But you know what the vibes is. It ain't never gonna know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but boy, it's only cause little baby in my bag, in my bag.
Alright, now to contour my face, I'm using Temper in this palette. This one, I have to be very light with how much I use this one because it's intense and it smells like, it smells sweet.
You got it.
I'm gonna be using these two shades on the bottom to smoke out this dark brown. For the blush, I'm gonna use Zama right here in the Morphe palette. In the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm just gonna go right on top of my bronzer.
And I've been saying low, but you know what the vibes is. It ain't never gonna know it being modest.
For the inner corner, I'm gonna use Guilt Trip. It's like a nice gold shimmer.
You're perfect, baby boy, you got it, boy, you
I'm also gonna put the same highlighter on my brow bone, and I'm gonna use it for my face highlight as well. So
got it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. When I turn around, you watch me check it. Oh, you want Jimmy shake it, I can see it in your face.
So for lips, I'm using my cork lip liner. I bought another one, but I'm determined to finish this one out before I opened it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips a little.
I know, but if you run your mouth and brag about the secret rendezvous, I will hunt
And then for the gloss, I'm using my LA Girl gloss topper. It's literally rubbed off because I use it so much.
but you know what the vibes is. It ain't never gonna know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but boy, it's only 'cause
Alright, so now that my face is done, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my hair. This is a closure wig, so that I made like an extremely long time ago. I do want to go ahead and take this off because this made annoying. I need to comb my hair out. Since I've already done this once before and it's kind of still like wavy. Oh, it wasn't nappy, it was just a piece watered up. What I'm gonna basically do is focus on like the ends and the top part of my hair, because the ends are kind of what's lost its wave, and then like the center is kind of like not, it doesn't really matter. Now that I've pretty much combed this out, I'm gonna start with this side, since I'm gonna show y'all this side since it'll be a lot easier to do. Y'all, this was a snag. I got my deep waver from Goodwill, and this hoe was $3. I want to say this is like an inch barrel. Yeah, this is either like an inch to an inch and a half barrel deep waver. I'm sure you can get this at Walmart. It's a Revlon deep waver for probably like maybe $20. But I'm telling y'all, go to Goodwill first, because you can find a lot there, and people just be taking whatever there, like seriously. I'm gonna be looking in both mirrors because I'm not trying to burn myself. I like to do this backwards. Puts a like a more definite wave in, versus if I did it this way, it's gonna put the wave back versus forward. I want it to be like super pronounced, so I'm gonna do it backwards. And I'm gonna start about right here, and I let it sit for about maybe 3 to 5 seconds, pressing like super hard.
put the work in. Flaws and all, I love 'em all to me. You're perfect, baby boy, you got it, boy, you got it. And you know that the sex is
And you've got your wave. So now I'm gonna do another section.
got it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. When I turn around, you watch me check it. Oh, you want Jimmy shake it, I can see it in your face, can't take it, it's blazing, but watch me in amazement.
Like, I have been obsessed with these deep waves. Like, y'all do not understand. Like, I literally want my hair like this for a whole fucking week, and that don't happen often. Also, red hair is like my absolute favorite. I always go back. We're supposed to be going, we're going to Vegas, so I need to figure out what hair color I'm doing for Vegas. I still haven't decided, which is like a problem. I am doing a clothing haul because I did get a whole bunch of stuff for this festival. I kind of overbought for this festival, but it's okay. I ain't tripping.
Flaws and all, I love 'em all to me. You're perfect, baby boy, you got.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish like this section, and I'm gonna show y'all how like I do like the very front on camera. So alright, so for this top section right here, I flip it to the normal side. Alright, so you still want to keep your hair straight, and I try to get as close to the root as I can, and I just kind of clamp, and then I flip it back.
You got it, I know. But if you run your mouth and brag about the secret rendezvous, I will hunt you.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other side off camera. because y'all don't have to see me do this twice. There's no point. So I'll be right back. All right, I have finished deep waving my entire head, and I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and just comb all of these curls out.
Baby boy, you got it, boy, you got it. And you know that the sex is OD.
In this stage, you probably would hairspray before you brush them out, but for me, I already have hairspray in them, so y'all, I got makeup all over this hoodie. I'm about to take it off and switch anyway, because this is my girlfriend's hoodie and she gonna kill me if she see this on. So I'm gonna be right back. All right, so I took my girlfriend's sweatshirt off. Now I'm just trying to like play. And I put some jewelry on just to kind of make the look come together.
Boy, you stunning, boy.
So, guys, this is the finished look of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this entire tutorial. Like, it was a long time coming with these deep waves, because Lord knows I love them, but they are so time consuming. So if you got time on your hands, I would definitely recommend doing this. So, but yeah, this is the finished look. So if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions for me, make sure you comment them down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe, and make sure you're following me on all my other social media platforms, where I am a lot more active versus with YouTube. I just kind of like post and go. I'm trying to be more interactive on YouTube, but I definitely need more suggestions on what you guys want to see. Without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.